Have you ever played a game and thought to yourself, wow, this is really cool? I wish I could make something like this. I mean, I have the ambition to make it, but I just don't have the right tools. It must take expensive software and some huge funding with a humongous team. Oh, let me stop you right there and say that you're wrong. You do not need expensive software. You do not need huge funding with a huge team. All you need is yourself, a laptop, and some amazing free software that will be the heart of your creation. And now, just sit your ass down so I can tell you how to start game development in 2020 and how you can start making games today. Let's get into it. First of all, software. I get this question way too many times. Zayther, what software do you use to make games? Let's start with game engines. A game engine lays the software framework to build and create video games. I recommend two of them, Unity and Unreal Engine 4. Now, if you're wondering, well, how am I supposed to choose? Good question. Well, Unity has been the jelly on the bread, not sure if that's a real expression, for games such as Monument Valley 2, Hollow Knight, Cuphead, and Super Mario Run. These are all phenomenal games. Now, if that list doesn't show you the versatility of Unity, then I don't know what does. Now, something you should know about Unreal is that it's all 3D. You're not going to be making 2D games on Unreal, let me tell you that. A game made with Unreal that you probably know is Fortnite. Yes, that Fortnite. Now, this might not be a fair comparison to Unity's list just because Fortnite is made by a team of hundreds, even thousands of people. Now, before you leave and say, well, I want to make a 3D game, so I might as well choose Unreal. But the truth is, Unity can do just as well for 3D games, because Unreal is 3D focused. An example of this is Danny's Carlson, or Battle State Games' Escape from Tarkov. I hope I pronounced that right. Before we move on to the next category, I would like to note that if you're planning on using Unity, then that's great because there are so many amazing content creators on YouTube that have so much knowledge to share. Some channels I wholeheartedly recommend are Brackeys and Blackthorn Prod. So now we come to the question, what will you use to code? Well, Microsoft has made this decision really easy. It's Visual Studio and the C# language, available for Windows and Mac. Now for our tools. Now, here is where you might want to make your first investment. Sprite is the best tool to create pixel art, and it's for the fair price of $15. However, if that is somehow not an option, the developers have instructions on how you can download it and compile it yourself for personal use. Another software that you can use if you already have it is Photoshop, although very costly, and GIMP, which you can easily use and get for free. Now that we have the software out of the way, what are you going to make? Now obviously, I'm just a beginner at GameDev. I've only been doing this for a few months, and so take my advice with a grain of salt. However, from my and the experiences of others, I will tell you that your first step should 100% be start small. Make weekly games. I cannot tell you how many times I've seen aspiring game developers that say, man, for my first game, I'm going to be making an online multiplayer MMORPG. Sorry, that is most likely not a good route, and that's putting it lightly. You're going to lose motivation, and it might take years to finish such an ambitious project. In fact, it may never be completed. So make small games, and make them all different genres so you can maximize your learning. Maybe make a 2D platformer, a top-down shooter, a farming game, I don't know, whatever tickles your fancy. In this first step, the goal is to expand your knowledge of the engine and the language. Now, during this first step, you're not only going to be making games, you should be watching tutorials for your game engine and the coding language, and that is important. Make sure you're watching game engine specific videos as well as language specific videos to familiarize yourself with your language. Then step 2 is to make a complete game. With your knowledge, you should now be able to make a full game. It's really your choice whether you want to publish it for the world to see or if you want to use it as a stepping stone for your success in game development. However, make sure you don't overscope your game design. You might think that it will take only a month to make something, but it ends up taking a half a year. You don't want that. And now you're all set to continue making games. One thing I would like to point out is that literally anyone can make games. You seriously don't need to be Einstein. I am literally the definition of dumb, and with my empty brain, I am able to make mediocre games. And you might be asking, well, Zayther, how can I publish my games? That's a very good question. Well, obviously the answer is Steam, but wait, hear me out. In case you didn't know, to upload a game to Steam, it takes a big fat $100, which not everyone has, especially starting out. Now, there is a website that allows free uploads and is also very popular amongst game developers. It's itch.io. And the great thing about Unity is that its cross-platform capabilities are amazing. So you can make a WebGL version of your game, a Windows, Mac, or Linux version, even mobile. There are tons of tutorials on how to upload your game to sites like itch.io, which is why I won't be going into that in today's video. Now, obviously, if your game is for mobile devices, then you would upload your game to the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that like button. And if you didn't find it helpful, smash the like button. And maybe, just maybe, smash that subscribe button. Anyways, guys, see ya in the next one. Stay safe. Bye. Now, this is the time to thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. Thanks for that. But now, the amazing people at Restless Corp Game Studios are allowing me to repay you. I have 5 Steam keys to give away to you guys, which will give you access to their newest title, Restless Hero, a stunning pixel art dungeon adventure. You will traverse the dark ages and experience the beautiful art and fluidity of the game. All you have to do to enter is click the link below, in which I will be giving away 4 of the 5 Steam keys. If you want a chance to win the 5th Steam key, join my Discord server with the link below, and go to the giveaways channel and enter there. Anyways, I really cannot thank the devs at Restless Corp enough for this amazing opportunity, and I'm sure that you guys will enjoy the game.